In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. Because here you need to click on additional settings and select one-handed mode from accessibility section. Now to activate it, use gray switcher, and when it's blue, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now to go back, you can swipe up or just click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!